燕窩餅。
We do the bird's net first. So you see this is the original one for the bird's net. When you pour in the water,
佢出嚟嘅顏色就係咁白淨。
the color is very beautiful. Maybe we introduce all the ingredients first. Crab meat, egg. We do the egg white, and spring onion, and also the flounder fish powder. This is the flounder fish originally, and we make it into a powder. Add the spring onion first. Yeah. 3 egg white. So we have the chopped the crab meat also. Some egg whites, some pepper salt, some sugar, some chicken stock,
少少雞粉，少少生
some
粉。
corn flour, and put the crab meat inside, and also the spring onion. So when we use it, we have to squeeze all the water out, and then put it inside.
How long do we have to actually soak the bird nests for?
2個晚上到。
2 nights,
嚇
2 overnight.
嚇
Put some oil on the spoon, and then put it on the spoon. And we put the flounder fish powder. Not salted fish, but
It's
it
just
make it dried.
So you have to tear
Then
it
fried
out.
it, and make it in the powder. So we tease it like this, and deep fry it, and then into powder. I steam it about 10 minutes. 100 because it's steam absolutely is 100.
So now this is the bird's nest dish that he's pan fried. Using very little oil.